So, haircut, by the way. But before I start this video, went to the gas station and we were able to get all this stuff as a bonus for just existing on the card for the gas station, whatever. But I got my solar panel. But while I was waiting in line, I was actually in the wrong line, and the workers told us that politely, and my mom complained like a child, and I explained to her, "Hey, they're just doing their job." And someone literally shook my hand because of that. Someone shook my hand because I was explaining to my mom how jobs work. It's like, what? He's just doing this job, man. Anyways, solar panels here. Customs. Oh, I can't show either side of this because they both have my address, so this is all I can show you. But yeah, package here. Let me open it. The package in question is pretty small. At least I think it's a solar panel because it's shaped like one. And it's probably the only big thing I've ordered that resembles a solar panel. So, customs declaration. Is this a solar panel? Let me check. Hold on. Hold on, man. Ow. Oh. Ow. Okay, here it is. Is this a solar panel? I don't know. I wonder what the title of this video is gonna be. It's either MacBook Air battery or solar panel. I think it's the battery for the MacBook Air. So whatever I was saying about solar panel stuff, I was wrong. So where's my razor? Razor, not the brand. There we go. Razor. Okay, let's open this bad boy up. Boom. That was easy as hell. Okay. That was one. This box is so beat up, bro. Okay. And it is the MacBook battery. Look at that. It even came with 2 screwdrivers for the MacBook and a bunch of screws. Let's go! Let's go! Let's fucking go, baby! It's here, man. It's fucking here. Let's go! So after my mom tried and failed to take my, well, not the battery, but my passport. What did my passport do to you, woman? I still didn't get to pee. So let me just carry this downstairs, and that should be that. Okay, so this is weird. It says here it's an A1406 battery. I ordered a A1465 battery, you know, for MacBook Air. But, as I'm seeing here, it is, at least I think, it's the same size as this computer. So, and when I Google it, it shows up with this MacBook having this battery. So theoretically, maybe it's the correct battery, but they're just stupid, you know, Apple with their naming system. So, I don't know. I'm gonna check anyway. And you know what? Screw it. Let's use the screws that came with this. Which is not the best idea, but somehow I'm that. Whoa. That looks really cool. That looks really cool, not gonna lie. I don't know, let's check first if it is in fact incorrect. Is this the correct screw for this? Yep. What about this one? Oh. Oh, this one's correct. Wow, that sucks. This screwdriver is dirt cheap. And I can feel it. It's so small. I mean, it looks cool. Oh, it's very cheaply made. Can you see that? Very cheap. They made. I mean, it looks cool. It's see-through and everything. But that looks pretty cheap. And it doesn't even go all the way in for extra stability. I'm a bit worried about how small the screws are, so let's hope they don't get lost. This is definitely an off-brand battery. It's a polymer battery pack. Just like those power banks I ordered earlier. Like way earlier. Okay. Sometimes it just struggles to grip. It's such a small grip handle here. Like most of it is screwdriver. None of it is actual grippy screwdriver. This. Hold on, let me compare the two. Yeah, this is for the inside, this is for the outside. Cool. That's really nice, because I thought it was only going to come with the battery. You know, I didn't know it was going to come with the battery, some screws, which... What are these screws? They're for the outside of the MacBook. This is really cool. Okay, nice. At least I think it's for the outside of the MacBook. Maybe it's for the inside. But, I don't know, man. I want to see if this battery is even correct. Because, I mean, I didn't take out the MacBook battery and look at it a lot. So, I don't know. Let's see if the battery is different whatsoever. Like, if it fits even, if the connector is the same. Because the connector is in the same spot. And it looks the same. So, I don't know. It even says A1406 on the outside. Honestly, now that I think about it, it does make sense. No, I scratched it. No. Okay. Well, that shouldn't matter really much, because this bottom casing is already pretty fucked up. So, and the replacement for the bottom casing isn't too expensive. I mean, it's definitely not cheap for such an old device, but it's not that expensive for, you know, Apple stuff. Well, pretty much Apple stuff. Yeah. You know, it's usually super expensive, but it's actually not too bad. I think it was like 20 or 30 bucks. Well, the battery was like over 20, and there was also shipping and import charges, and I also had to pay €0.50 in person just to be able to take the battery away. But honestly, I understand why I have to pay €0.50. Well, 45 cents, but I had to pay €0.50 because, I mean, it's a battery. You had to go through 5 different customs. 5. Because it's a battery. How many watt hours? 35 watt hour battery. God damn. Actually, not that small, considering it's not like all one big battery. It's just separate batteries together in one casing. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 batteries in one. Whoa. Okay. Wait. This might be okay. Yes. Okay. My worries are gone. But this is absolutely an aftermarket battery. It's the same size, which is good, and it does say A4106 here and there. They say replace A1406, just like this one. Made in China. Don't expand, please. Thank you. Oh, there's more dust in here. Let me just... Ugh. Okay, let me just blow the fan as well. Not bad. Okay, one thing I'm still waiting for is the adapter for the SSD. But that shouldn't be really a problem, because that's not really the main problem about this computer. Sure, it doesn't have enough storage. However, having a mostly useless battery is even worse, in my opinion. Why is that worse? Well, the battery expanded, like enough for it to be, for the damage the actual MacBook, the chassis of the computer. However, it does appear to be same battery, same shape, and same model number, and same size. Actually, yeah, they're both Li-ion polymer batteries. Rechargeable Li polymer battery, Li-ion polymer. Also, they are a bit different. This one's a Li-ion polymer. That one's a Li polymer. Rechargeable. However, if they both last, if this one lasts long time and doesn't have any worse performance than this one when it was new, should be fine then. Also, I don't know what all this weird stuff here is. I don't remember ever spilling water on this computer. Or if I did, I have no recollection of it whatsoever. Very strange. But it works. It works. So, I don't know. I did turn on, yeah, I did turn off this computer. Plus, even if I didn't turn off this computer, this battery would have been dead by then. Well, bye-bye, battery. Ugh. The cells have absolutely expanded. Because they have a curve now. They have their own curve. It doesn't even support its own weight anymore. Cool. Okay. I really like oh, cool, serial number. But I really like the insides of MacBooks. Even though they're really hard to repair, MacBook Air especially, and Retina MacBook Pros. Like, I wish it was easy to upgrade these. Also, I wish I could keep this peel on here, for it to stay as minty fresh as possible. But, I mean, not the best idea. So. Oh, that is still very much sticky. Boom, we got neck protection now. That should work. Very much perfect. Okay, there we go. Okay. It's not flat. This one's definitely not flat. Like, the right side is higher up for some reason. I'm not gonna try and bend it into shape. I'm just gonna hold the screws. Do that. Yeah, do their job. Do your job, man. Some mage shakes butt. Welcome to Gen Z. Let me just screw this bad boy in. Oh, that was me. Okay, cool. Can I screw it more? What the? It should be enough. Holy moly, this thing can get screwed a lot. Do not take that out of context. Yeah, this is a perfect shape. It should be it. Let's go. And after this, we don't have to worry about having to always stay plugged in. I can actually take this laptop to school and places, Upgrade the storage and you can actually put movies on here and watch them, which would be nuts. Because the screen isn't that bad. It's really colorful and high contrasty. The only problem is the resolution and the size of the screen. It's 11 inches, so it's just barely bigger than my tablet. However, it's easier to prop up on your lap than on a tablet, you know, when you're on the go. Plus, it's more powerful despite its age. It shreds a tablet. A budget tablet, to be fair. But still, it does shred it, so I don't know, man. Ooh, is that even gonna align? It's very close to not aligning. However, it did align eventually. Let's go. I'm taking this off. Really uncomfortable. So we got the old battery out. Oh, that's a dead mosquito on the desk. A big one, too. Well, I don't know if it's called a mosquito. It's either a wasp or a mosquito. The thing that sucks your blood and gives you venom, and it's all itchy then. Also, this battery, like the old one, looks horrible in comparison to the new one. Look at all those dots. Where are they from? And where are these scratches from? The new one looks new. I don't know, man. I don't know what to tell you. It looks new. What? You want a better explanation? No. That makes sense enough. Anyways, here's the old battery. I'm gonna store the old battery just in case if this one does start bulging more than this one. So I'll just put the old one back in and hope for the best. What is this? What is this? No one's ever mentioned this thing before. What is this? Like it pushes down, like all the way. Like look at my thumb. Finger. Goes all the way down, man. Boom. Is that so it detects whether or not you open the machine up? I mean, it's not too much of a far-fetched idea, in my opinion at least. I mean, this is Apple we're talking about. This isn't an Asus laptop with shitty repairability score. This is Apple, so I would not be surprised whatsoever. That is such a tiny thingy connector. God damn. Screw. Still screwing, watch this. When can we stop using the screwdriver? Now it should be enough. Because when I feel it start getting, harder to turn, I just stop, even though I could probably still turn it more, so I don't accidentally strip the screw or, be unable to open up this computer in the future. So, this connector is a bit long. That's unfortunate. Let me try and make it work. I don't know, man. They made this connector surprisingly long. Okay. Hope it didn't press too hard, but connector should be in. So let's see. It gave me display. That means the battery does work, and the battery is connected, because otherwise it'd be no display, of course. There's the charger, just sitting on the desk, waiting for it to be used. Okay, so battery does work. Next, okay, this cable should also be replaced. Like seriously, look at this. That's not safe. That's not safe. Neither is this prong. Oh, jeez. Let me just bend that. And it's still crooked as hell. Ah, whatever. If it works. That is not going in. All the way at least. Okay, now it went in. Okay, so battery definitely gets registered because otherwise you get no display, of course. It just means the battery isn't charged. Cable. Hey! Almost immediately, just booting on by itself. Wow, that is a nice glow. Among Us. MacBook work. So MacBook work. Look at all those screws. One screwdriver. Wait, where is it? One screwdriver to destroy them all. Ho ho ho. That would not go well at all. Holy moly! Where's it? Oh, there it is. Let me type in my password. Oh god, it's upside down. I just had to orient it this way, huh? I guess, yeah. Let me just type in my password, man. It's gonna be so hard upside down because but it should be fine because I'm the greatest technician that's ever lived. And yes, that was obviously stolen from the actual greatest technician that's ever lived. Just enter. That's enter. Did I type it right? No. Didn't register. Oh, I didn't. Oh, because I pressed W. Whoops. Wait, what's backspace? This is backspace. Okay, now I typed it incorrectly. Okay, we're in the OS. There we go. Battery 52%, and it's not dead. Let's see. Shit. Oh, there's a fan. Open. Please let me just use the mouse. Opens energy saver preferences. Wow, that is a loud fan. That fan is going at 1,000,000,000 degrees Celsius. Or RPM, whatever. It's charging. Let me unplug it. It's 53%. It's not dead. Okay, I don't know what. Okay, maybe the reason why I didn't want to boot earlier was because it's like, it's a new battery and the computer was dead last time it was powered down. So it was like, hey, charge me, doctor. So, power source battery, and there's no service battery working warning. So, yeah, the battery was replaced successfully. So, that was actually not. That didn't take that long, right? Yeah, 20 minutes or so. And we used the screws that came bundled in with the box. Okay, let's shut this bad boy back down. Shut down. There we go. Gotta make sure it shuts down, you know, so just in case if we touch anything on the inside. Okay, so fun fact for our own place. Whatever this chip is, this chip up here. See that? Whatever this is, gets hot. There's no doubt about it, because I can feel the warmth. So putting thermal paste on that was actually not the worst idea in the world when I did it. So, yay, good job, Past Tim. You did something right. This thing is crooked as hell. Like this. Like that. I don't know. Let's see with the back cover. If it is like that. Whoop. Yeah, it's definitely like that because they're both bent like that. Also remove this, which is a good idea because that CPU is there. Whatever this chip is gets hot, so this helps. You know, more cold for the computer to rely on. It's like a bigger heatsink. This entire thing acts like a heatsink of sorts. Is this how I open it? Yes, I did. Where's that screwdriver? Screwdriver. Screwdriver. Where did I put it? Seriously? New screwdriver for MacBook and I already lost it. This is definitely Apple's doing, I swear. Oh, there it is. See? See? The MacBook hates me being able to repair it, so just hit the screw and it's not even correct. Oh, they're different colors. But it's such a slight difference, I didn't even notice. It's even less noticeable on camera. See, one is brighter and one is lighter than the other. Apparently it's not brighter, it's lighter. What the hell, bro? Who thought that was a good idea? There we go. Start screwing in this bad boy. So now we have a MacBook that is mostly finished. All we need is the adapter to have the bigger SSD, and in the future, I'd say, a new back cover, so we don't have this crooked as hell. And then by the end of it, we'll have a near mint condition MacBook, except for the dent on the top, you know, where the keyboard is, the top casing, and missing escape key. But that should be about all that's missing. Once I do finish this computer, eventually. Hopefully will be soon. So, pretty neat. The reason why I fixed up this computer is I want a computer for portability, because, I mean, you can't really use this while on the road or when you're at a friend's house. I mean, they wouldn't approve. 500 watt power supply. Especially because it's so big and you need a monitor with it alongside it. Oh, okay. Don't always stumble. Anyways, what else? What else? Sorry, brain is so slow today. Oh yeah, the reason why I want to fix up the MacBook and just not, you know, improve the very improvable HP computer is that computer is very thick. That just slid off of the screw. What the hell? Basically, that computer is very thick and it's obviously going to be heavier, and it is. Like compared to this computer. This computer is super light compared to that one. Whoa, it feels heavier. I don't know why. Could be because I did gym like what, 3 days in a row? I don't know. But well, the reason why I thought it was gonna be solar panels because like it said that this battery just cleared customs today for the 5th time and arrived at my local delivery center, you know, carrier, whatever, on the AliExpress Gmails. So I was like, oh, okay, it'll probably be available tomorrow in a couple days. So I was like, oh, look, I got an email, or I got a text message from GLS about a package.